Hello children, I am Preeti Kumar. Welcome to the online computer class. Before we start, let us close our eyes and observe 2 minutes silence to pray for the peace within and outside and also pray for everyone's well-being. Let's get started. Children, as you know, we are doing chapter 10 tables and forms in HTML. In your previous session, you have learned about how to create a table and you have learned the attributes of table tag like border, border color, and today we are going to learn about BG color. This is the another attribute of table. What it does, we'll see in our practical. BG color. The BG color attribute can be used to set the background color of different parts of table. You can change the background color of an entire table, a single row, and or an individual cell, depending on where you specify this attribute. Example, how do we write this? With the table border BG color is equal to pink. So here the pink is a value. Here instead of pink you can use any of your choice color. Even we will learn about different attributes of TR, TD and TH tags. So which attributes use are used with these tags? Let's see. So today we'll take BG color only, and the example of this is TR. If you want to apply BG color with row, so you have to write TR tag, and within TR tag you have to write BG color is equal to color value. So color name here it is red. If you want to use it with data, table data, then BG color is equal to blue. Again, blue is a value. You can use any of the color name. TH, TH table heading. So BG color is equal to yellow. So here yellow is a value. You can even use hexa values also. Thank you. Now let us see and we'll do the practical how we get all these results. Let us see here in this I have typed very few basic commands coding and just see how we bring the change in our table with these attributes, how these attributes help us to bring our table in a attractive manner. So very basic tags I have written here: HTML head, title, then head close, body, table border is equal to 1, border color is equal to red as you have done in your previous session, caption, the heading of the table is table. Then these are the basic headings which I have used with the table heading tag, serial number, color and flower. Now let us fill the data in it. So how we will fill the data? So for the data you have to use TD. TD, now suppose it is 1 and color, so let's say I say pink. I miss, sorry, let us close first. First close the TD, come in next line, then fill the data TD pink and then close TD, then next third data is, let's say, lotus, and then we'll close the tag. And now the first second row is over, so we'll type And here, see children, we have to start a new row. So what is miss? New row, tr. We have to start with tr and then close the tr. Second row is closed. Now we want to create a third row. So instead of wasting our time, let us copy this, control c, and then say control v, and we'll change our only its values. Let me say it is red, and here I type rows like this. So see what will be the result. Let us save this file first. Save as, and let me give a name day3.html. Okay, let us see this result. So you see the basic table has come, which we have learned. Now today we are going to learn the new attribute of the table is bg color. So this is the basic table. Now I'll just increase its size so you can just see by big view. Now let us go back and we'll use our first attribute with body. So with the body tag, we will use the bg color as you have used many times and you know what is the result of it, but let us use again and see. Let's say I say aqua. Aqua is also a color. Okay. Now let me save, control S, and run this. So you see the background color of the web page appears in aqua. Even you can see the table has also taken the color as a aqua. Now we will use bg color with table. So we can use the bg attribute with table also, and we'll see what will be the result. Color is equal to, let's say, green. So now save, control S, and open this. So you see here the web page is in aqua color, and when we use same attribute with table tag, then the entire table color has come in green color. Now let us use the same bg color with tr. So what we'll see, a single row will be colored. Okay, so now we'll use bg color. Bg color is equal to, when you are using with tr, is equal to, let's say, yellow. Yellow. Now control S and open. So you can see a entire single row is being colored. It has been colored with yellow color. So when you use with tr, if you use another color in this row, so you write tr, and whatever the bg color you want you can use. Now let us use same attribute bg color with our table data. Now I want that a single cell will be colored, or you can say you want a one single cell in different color. So let's see, we use bg color is equal to, now I say pink, and as you see children, where I have used this bg color with the td. Now save, you can say save and run. So you can see an individual cell has been colored. Now I want to make this cell also in red color. So how can I do it? Same, I just let me copy this, copy, and I will go here, say paste, give a little space and change it as a red. Let's save and run. So you can see the table. So this cell has been colored in red color. Now just take an entire look. The BG, the HTML web page is in aqua color. When you use BG color with body tag, when you use BG color with table tag, then table color had come in green color. When you use BG color with TR table row, then the entire single row will be colored. When you use with data TD, then the particular cell will be colored. So this way, try this coding and do your practical.